गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्लास 8th का चैप्टर फर्स्ट, रेशनल नंबर। रेशनल नंबर, एज यू नो, ऑल ऑफ यू नो that in the previous class we have studied about the natural number. So what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers, all counting number starts from 1 are called the natural number. So smallest natural number is 1, and beside this, like natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. This is the natural number, and normally it is denoted by the capital N. Now, what is whole number? Whole number, when we add 0 into the natural number, we get the whole number. Like this is 0. When we add 0 into the natural number, this is natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the whole number, and normally it is denoted by capital W. Okay. Now integers. Integers. What are the integers? Integers are when we add the negative natural number into the whole number, we get the integers. Like these are the positive natural number, negative natural number -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinite, and this is the whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. So we get the integers. This is the integers, correct? Now the positive integers. This is the positive integer. Positive integer, because they all are positive. This is the negative integer. Negative. Okay. 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive, but 0 is also an integer. Correct? So this is the all things which we have studied in the previous class. Now our topic starts rational number. Rational number is very important. Listen. Rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q. The number which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q both are belongs to integers. Yeah, both belongs to integers. They both are integers. And Q is not equal to 0. Meaning, ऐसा कोई भी नंबर जो न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर की फॉर्म में हो, जिसमें न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ शुड बी इंटीजर्स, मींस दे शुड बी कम इनटू दिस सेट. फॉर एग्जांपल 8 अपॉन 3. Now, for example, 8 upon 3. 8 upon 3. Here, if I compare with P upon Q, on comparing, P represent 8, Q represent 3. 8 and 3 both are the integer. 8 and 3 both are the integers, positive integers. So P and Q belongs to I, and Q is not equal to 0. Here denominator is 3, which is not equal to 0. So this is the rational number. So once again I am telling you the definition of rational number. You should remember these definitions. The rational number can be written in the form of the P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Remember this definition. Now after the rational number, we know the standard form of the standard form of rational number. What is this? Standard form of rational number. Standard form means the lowest form of rational number. Lowest form means, suppose we have the one rational number 18 upon 6. 18 upon 6. 18 upon 6. So we can solve further. 6 3 is 18. 3 upon 6 1 is 6. So 3 upon 1. Now this is the standard form of this rational number, 3 upon 1, because we cannot solve further this. P upon Q की form में P and Q belongs to I. So this is the standard form of rational number. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन कैसे आपसे पूछा जाएगा? 18 upon 15. Convert this rational number into the standard form. So now the standard form of 18 upon 15, we can solve it. 3 is 18 and 3 5 is 15. This number can be divided by 3. So 6 upon 5, we cannot go further. 6 upon 5, we cannot solve further. 6 upon 5, so 6 upon 5 is the standard form. What is this? This is the standard form. Okay, so this is the one type. Now अब आता है हमारा कंपैरिजन. कंपैरिजन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. How we will compare? Compare means which rational number is greater and which rational number is smaller. Suppose we have the two rational numbers, 8 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. We have the two rational numbers. Now how you will tell which one is greater? How we will compare these two numbers? So we have the two methods for this. The one method is first method. First, the cross multiplications. Cross multiplications means this number is this, multiply by this, and this number is this. 8 5 is 40 and 3 3 is 9. Okay. In 40 and 9, which one is greater? 40. 40 is greater than 9. So 40 represent 8 upon 3. So 8 upon 3 is greater than 3 upon 5. This is a very simple method to compare the two rational numbers or to find out which one is greater or smaller. Correct? So once again I am telling you the comparison of two rational numbers, very important. This method is called the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Okay, so by cross multiplications we can compare the two rational numbers. First, 8 into 5 and this 3 into 3. 8 into 5 40 and 3 into 3 9. 40 is greater than 9, so 40 comes from this side. So 8 upon 3 is greater than 3 upon 5. Another method, this is the first method. Second method, by making denominator same or equal. Denominator same and equal, like 8 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. These are the two rational numbers. Okay, so we have to compare. Now taking LCM of denominator. LCM of 5 and 4. What is LCM? 20. How we will find LCM? 5 and 4. 5 1 is 5, 4, 2. So LCM is 5, 2 is 10, 10 2 is 20. LCM is 20. Now 8 upon 5 is equal to, making denominator 20. 8 into 5 into 4, 8 into 4. 32 upon 20 and 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4 into 5 into 5 is equal to 15 upon 20. Now compare the numerator. 32 is greater than 15. Denominator is same. 32 is greater than 15. So this number is greater than this 32 upon 20 is greater than 15 upon 20. So 8 upon 5 is greater than 3 upon 4. So this is the another method to solve this. Now, addition of two rational numbers. Addition. Addition of two rational number. अभी तक हमने क्या स्टडी करी है? रेशनल नंबर. व्हाट आर द रेशनल नंबर? रेशनल नंबर के बाद स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ रेशनल नंबर के बाद हमने पढ़ा है कंपैरिजन ऑफ द टू रेशनल नंबर्स बाय टू मेथड्स. वन इज द making the denominator same and the other is by cross multiplication. Now the addition of two rational numbers. Suppose we have the any two rational number, 2 or more than 2, 8 upon 3 plus 5 upon 6. We have to these two rational numbers. Very simple. Making the denominator, first taking LCM. LCM of 3 and 6 is equal to 6. कैसे लेंगे एलसीएम? ये 3 and 6. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 2 1 1. तो एलसीएम क्या आ गया? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. This is the LCM. Now 6 LCM in 7th class we have studied 6, 3 2 जा 6, 8 into 2 प्लस 6 1 जा 6, 1 into 5. इस 3 से इस 6 को डिवाइड करना है. तो 3 2 जा 6, उस 2 की मल्टीप्लाई 8 में होगी. ये हो गया 16 प्लस 5 अपॉन 6 इज इक्वल टू 21 अपॉन 6. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व फर्दर. 3 7 जा 21, 3 2 जा 6, 7 upon 2. This is the standard form. 21 upon 6 is the answer, but 7 upon 2 is the correct answer because this is the standard form. So 7 upon 2. This is the one method. In previous class we know. Now another method, very simple method. In 6th class we use this, but this is the 5th, 6th standard method by making the denominator same and then add. That's 8 upon 3 and 5 upon 6. These are the two rational numbers. Making denominator same. LCM of 3 and 6 is equal to 6. 8 upon 3 is equal to 8 upon 3 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16 upon 6. Making the denominator 6 in both rational numbers. 5 upon 6 is equal to 5 upon 6. Now simple add. 16 upon 6 plus 5 upon 6. Denominator equal 6. 16 plus 5 is equal to 21 upon 6 is equal to 7 upon 2. So this is the addition of the rational number. Okay, so this is your choice. You can do by any method. So addition of rational number. So my dear students, what we have learned today? We have learned today rational number definitions. Rational number is standard form, and beside this the comparison of two rational number. How we can compare the two rational numbers by cross multiplication method and by making the denominator same, and then we compare the numerator. And beside this we have the addition of rational number. So thank you very much. If you have any problem in any questions, I will give you the few homework. If you have any problem, then you can ask me anytime. My mobile number is 9837257411. Once again I am repeating 9837257411. Thank you very much.